I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively as a medical student. First, embrace active learning from day one. Don't just passively read. Actively question the material, summarize concepts aloud, and connect new information to what you already know. For example, after a lecture, try to explain the key takeaways to an imaginary patient or a study partner. This deep engagement helps solidify your understanding far more than simply highlighting text. Aim for at least 60 minutes of active recall daily. Next, master the power of spaced repetition and retrieval practice. Instead of cramming, review topics periodically over days, weeks, and months. Tools like Anki can help automate this process, showing you information just as you're about to forget it. Regularly quiz yourself on material from 2 weeks ago, not just yesterday's lecture. This active recall strengthens neural pathways, making information much easier to access during exams and in clinical settings. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to this method. Third, always strive to integrate basic science with clinical application. As you learn about physiology or pharmacology, consider how these principles apply to patient symptoms, diagnoses, and treatments. For instance, when studying cardiac anatomy, visualize how a specific valve defect would present in a patient. This contextual learning makes the information more relevant and memorable. Engage with clinical cases early and often, perhaps 2 to 3 times a week, to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Finally, prioritize your well-being and maintain a healthy study-life balance. Medical school is a marathon, not a sprint, and burnout is a real risk. Schedule dedicated time for exercise, hobbies, and connecting with friends and family. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's crucial for memory consolidation and overall cognitive performance. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for sustained academic success and personal happiness throughout your demanding journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.